If you drive every day in the US, this video could save you thousands of dollars. Accidents, insurance fraud, hit and runs, these happen daily. Today, I'm reviewing 3 of the best 4K front and rear dashcams you can buy right now on Amazon. Crystal clear video, powerful night vision, parking protection, and smart features. Let's find out which dashcam is truly worth your money. Product 1, 70mm A800 4K dashcam front and rear, Starvis 2. Who should buy this? Perfect for daily commuters, Uber/Lyft drivers, and highway travelers who want premium protection. What it does. This dashcam records true 4K front plus rear video with Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, making license plates readable even at night. Built-in 128GB eMFC, GPS, voice control, and 4G LTE support make it a future-ready security system. Pros: excellent night vision with f1.7 aperture. Dual HDR for bright and dark roads. No need to buy memory card. Reliable parking monitoring. Cons: 4G LTE module sold separately. Customer reviews. US buyers love the sharp night footage and premium build quality. Product 2, TRUNSO 4K plus 4K dashcam. Best budget choice. Who should buy this? Great for families, new drivers, and budget-focused buyers. What it does. Records 4K front and rear, includes a free 128GB card, supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and has a wide 170 degrees viewing angle. Easy setup with a 3-inch IPS screen. Pros: best value for money. Free memory card included. Smooth Wi-Fi video transfer. Large viewing angle. Cons: app interface is basic. Night video not as strong as 70mm. Customer reviews. Buyers praise its price, easy installation, and clear daytime video. Product 3, 70mm A800 4K dashcam, smart AI protection. Who should buy this? Ideal for long-term parking, city drivers, and tech lovers. What it does. Features Starvis 2 HDR, ADAS safety alerts, AI motion detection, and 24/7 parking mode. Records time-lapse when parked to save storage. Pros: advanced AI parking protection. ADAS lane and collision warnings. Reliable app and GPS tracking. Cons: higher price than budget models. LTE module optional. Customer reviews. Highly rated for smart parking security and app stability. Before we continue, if this video helps protect your car and your money, subscribe now. It's free.